Control keyboard shortcuts. This key in keyboard Ctrl Control is used in keyboard shortcut. Keys such as the three-finger salute or Control plus Alt plus Delete. This key combination suggests pressing and holding down the Control, Alt, and Delete keyboard keys to open the task manager or reboot the computer. Control plus A. These two keys will select all text or other objects. Control plus B. Bold highlighted text. Copy any selected text or another object. Control D is used for bookmark an open web page or open font window in Microsoft Word. Control E is used for make text to center of page. Control F is used for open find window or find text. Control G is used for open find in a browser and word processors. Control H open the find and replace in Notepad, Microsoft Word, and WordPad. Control I used for italic text. Control J is used for view downloads in browsers and set justify alignment in Microsoft Word. Control K create a hyperlink for the highlighted text in Microsoft Word and many HTML editors. Control L is used for select address bar in a browser or left align text in a word processor. Control M is used for indent selected text in word processors and other programs. Control N is used for create a new page or document. Control O is used for all type of files. Open a file in most programs. Control P is most using key in keyboard. Open a print window to print the page you're viewing. Control R asking for reload page in browser or right align text in a word processor. Control S is most using key and it's used for saving the document or file. Control T create a new tab in an internet browser or adjust tabs in word processors. Control U is using for underline selected text. Control V is used for paste any text or any other object that has been copied. Control W is used for closing and open tab in a browser or close a document in Word. Control X is used for cut selected text, file, or another object. Control Y is used for these keys will redo any and new action. Control Z by pressing these two keys will undo any action. Control Escape used for open the Windows Start menu. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.